Hi guys, it is our recognition day today. So yeah, I'm thinking if I should just straight my hair or curl it. Recognition is 1 p.m. and it's already 12. So should I curl my hair or just stay like the clip is here? I don't know if we're allowed to wear multiple piercings today, but I did wear it last year. But I don't know, it wasn't visible though. But this time it's visible. So, can you look at my makeup? I did this, guys. Like, I'm so proud of myself. Like, really. Sapa, sapa, sapa. One more time. O, sapa, sino, sapa. Masiro! Masiro, guys. So I ended up curling my hair.
Years with high honors in junior and senior high school years and a cum laude in his graduation in physical therapy. Beyond his achievements,
We are in school. Hi, Meg. Red.
Lover na yung buhok, kapag nalaga, bahala na yan. Congrats, Jimmy. Grabe ka idol ko na talaga ito. May miss ko ito siya. Stay ka na, day.
Nagme-message really hirang nga di guys.
Advisor Mark Niel R. Burgess. Pero ang matagal yung sa ATM, yung sa, oh,
Gamit ito ng mga aircon na nagpapagay. Hindi rin ito i-open. Wow. 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 Ang namatay ang kabalawan. Ang nakabalawan nga ni. Ang ginhapil nga. Lawas ang
program with me. Welcome message or welcome remarks. Diba? Nakapaganda. Ano susunod welcome remarks?
Confirm you graduates of Dr. Briones and Morales Educational Foundation Incorporated school year 2025-2026 and hereby awarded conferred with the diploma with all its honors, rights, and privileges thereto appertaining. Congratulations.
Hi guys! Awa din yung camera.